Youngest starts after 70. नहीं और बहुत
आइए सर, आइए आप भी आइए। अरे आइए ना, लाइव ट्रेडिंग तो करनी पड़ेगी। आइए आइए गोयल साहब, NHPC बिल्कुल बिल्कुल NHPC से ले
आइए आइए साहब प्लीज आप पकड़ लीजिए हाथ
हाथ तो लगा दीजिए। गुप्ता साहब आप भी आइए, हाथ तो लगा दीजिए। अली वो जल गया। NTPC से कोई NTPC ग्रीन सर, वन ऑफ प्लीज कम पटेल, वन पर्सन प्लीज लेट्स हैव अ फोटो।
प्लीज कम
प्लीज सर, प्लीज सर।
चाहिए भाई प्लीज
ये ऑस्पिशियस है।
सारे मिलेंगे तभी
आइए सर, आइए सर,
एक फोटो ऐसी भी हो जाएगी।
हाँ बेटा
आइए फोटोग्राफ किया
मिक्स भले ही कम हो, वो बुझिया उसमें सबका साथ लगेगा। मैं थोड़ा इसको सर्वोदय कर रहा हूँ। थैंक यू, वंडरफुल। या श्योर, स्टैंडिंग। आइए सर, 2 मिनट रुक जाइए सब आए। बैकड्रॉप थोड़ा आ जाओ। थैंक्स। I had given my brief, and right now one more small data, because we are talking of, see, we have to run a race which is the global race. Now what is the problem in this global race is, right now we have roughly 56 gigawatt of hydropower, if I include the small hydro also in it. And this, if you look at it, it's more than roughly marginally less over 10% in installed capacity. I would say in the operating capacity it can go up to 11%. That's fine, because and that also comes down because of our availability factors and other issues of some of the projects. But you compare the same thing, what's happened, ratio has to chodi in terms of scale. See, when we have a 533 gigawatt of installed in India, driving a 4 trillion plus economy, right? The neighbor, China, and we can't run away from this, that's why I quoted, it's 3.75 terawatt. That means 3,750 gigawatt, in which the hydropower itself is in 500 gigawatt range. I'm not even adding their pump storage, which is equal to our hydropower. So we have to be in proportion. We can't keep telling, our governance model is different, that is different. ये सारे बहाने हैं, because आप चलो आपकी governance model जैसे भी हो, democracy की बात करो, ये करो वो, that's a tangent direction. But can't you be 50% of what they are? आपकी population 1.5 billion है, उनकी भी 1.5 billion है, तो आपसे 50% नहीं किया गया, तो ये वाला सवाल जब आ जाएगा ना, तो हम खड़े हो जाएंगे फिर, because they're going to rock the US in no time, I can tell you, in power capacity. They're going great guns, and just now last week was the 10 gigawatt on the Tibetan plateau. They put up a solar itself, and they are always driving solar with pump storage and all that stuff. They are integrating the whole approach. Hydrogen पे भी वो ऐसे ही आएंगे. They will not come. They will not use their water. I can assure you. They are very clever. They are looking at what to do with their coal. So exactly, I am telling. Be careful. Let's push the ambit, let everybody not come to my water, Clean water is needed for irrigation. Clean water is needed for my potability. It is needed for my regular industry, for my urban township. If you have all this, please don't touch my water for hydrogen. मेरा सीधा वार्निंग, वो मैंने उनको बोल दिया था नहीं क्या मैं हमारे सरसों साहब को वो मान लिया मेरी बात. मैंने कहा सर थोड़ा तो बताइए ये चीज will be very dangerous for us because our water will be used. Today the data center is simply sucking our water already. And California just last week made an public order has come out that no big data center can be established in California state, in the vicinity of the state. So if these people are doing and they want to use our water, the Googles want to use my water. Question करिए, तो आपको पानी चाहिए आप coastal में जाओ. You use the coastal sea water, I have no problem. You do desalination of sea water, use titanium material and bring your this all the electrolyzers. सारा ढकोसला electrolyzer करेगा, ये करेगा. First we have to stop that. इतना पैसा चला जाएगा साहब, कभी भी $5 के नीचे आप बना ही नहीं पाओगे. और जो कह रहे हैं वो सब झूठ बोल रहे हैं. कोई भी इनके पास मैच नहीं है. बुलाते हैं तो कुछ नहीं मिलता, सब एकदम शून्य. So let's work on things which actually matter and you can work. Let's not get a fetish where water is needed. First is carbon, nitrogen for soil. Carbon and nitrogen उनको चाहिए. कार्बन आप कहाँ से ला सकते हैं? आप कार्बन कैप्चर मिशन अब बन गई है फाइनली हम लोगों के पुश करने से. आप कार्बन को वापस पानी में डालिए, go to the water body, reduce the cost of carbon capture because efficiency की बात होती है that we can handle. But the cost to do the carbon capture has to come down. It has to be scaled down. So if that is in the mission mode, you will get the retrofitment of the technology over the period of time. Same way, now the mission has come for coal gasification. So these are the other dimensions that are coming. And everywhere where you see, hydro is benefiting now in the pump storage because of solar. That is the biggest benefit of solar. Then putting these parks. आप देखिए खावड़ा में पार्क लगाया है, हम खाली इवैक्यूएट 30 गीगावाट करना चाह रहे नहीं हो पा रहा है. ट्रांसमिशन कॉरिडोर का bottleneck आ गया, ठीक है ना. So Adani is only 10 gigawatt is installed. I visited the factory in Indore. Just they don't show to most people, but I went. I saw all their manufacturing to understand what they are up to. So it's like a consumption captive. They got a 5.2 megawatt wind turbine, is the largest in the country. 91 feet blade. I saw all that in their facility, and they are putting. So they understood finally without manufacturing they cannot survive. That understanding has come, and that's thanks to my boy Vineet. He's the MD, so he's come from Kurukshetra only. और रेना इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज में था, उसमें गड़बड़ हो गई थी तो हमारे NIT से आधा पढ़ा है. फिर बाद में अडानी साहब ले गए उसको और गुजरात में शिफ्ट करा दिया, बट एक्चुअली हमारा NIT का बंदा है, ठीक है. तो ही वॉज फ्रॉम डे वन आई वॉज मेंटेनिंग. एक बार हुआ कोयले की बात, मैंने कहा देखो भाई कोयले से निकल जाओ, because that time only I predicted these machines are not capable of the Chinese have literally sold us machines which are subcritical and nobody will open the mouth because वो clear है subcritical machine. कितनी भी आप कागजों पे लिखिए वो सब क्रिटिकल आपको बेच दी गई. और ये I am saying that because I met Yantar, bigger than NTPC, at least 3 or 4 times. They met me in Bengaluru and I cross-questioned. I had an interpreter and I came to them. They said, sir, we have not a single power plant of supercritical with us. अगर उसको नहीं मिल रही तो आपको कहाँ से मिल जाएगी? तो कहीं ना कहीं पेपर टाइगर आ गए. तो ये अपनी 50% पेपर चलते नहीं है. अभी मैं उनकी मशीन को देखे ना, मशीन आर रनिंग प्रॉपर्ली, दैट्स ओके. प्लांट भी क्लीन है पर बहुत सुपरक्रिटिकल. वो कहा जा रहा हुआ है. सो ठीक है, स्टीम के प्रेशर टेम्परेचर आपने किसी तरह से आप थोड़ा बेटर कर लिया, लेकिन बेसिकली दे कैन नॉट राइज. एंड माय प्रेडिक्शन वाज करेक्ट. आई सेड दे विल नॉट रन बियॉन्ड 50% PLF and that's what is happening. This is the evidence. And finally Adani's orders now are to BHEL. You can watch. मैं जो बोल रहा हूँ फाइनली वही हुआ है. ये पहले जिंदल को पता था ये चीज. उस समय मैं नवीन जिंदल को मिला था, उसको मैंने बोला कोई मशीन मत लेना तुम other than BHEL, क्योंकि किसी और की भरोसा नहीं है. Only this Mitsubishi L&T fellows can do the job. Now Toshiba also is gone because I was predicting Toshiba's manufacturing has got some problems and it came up. There were cracks in the turbine. वो सब हुआ और Toshiba तो खत्म हो गई, आपको पता है कंपनी. अरोड़ा साहब हमारे दोस्त थे, so हमारे सामने खत्म हुई है. That and also in the Subansiri, sorry not Subansiri, I'm talking of the West Bengal Purila scheme. What happened to the performance of those pump storage machines? If they perform well, today we would be actually jumping and doing everything for pump storage. पर ये जब तक ग्रीनको का नहीं आया, तो जब Pinnapuram also had its starting point. We visited February 2024 before making the white paper. So Anil Bhatnagar, the NHPC man, was with them. He showed me the whole thing, and then I saw the machines. I saw every damn thing. Brilliant, I can tell you. Fantastic technology for mandates, and at the same time, good work Only some mistakes they did in the civil where the leakages happened. And after that, the leakages were set off. It set off the project by 6 months again. CA supported a lot. I must actually congratulate CA. I think we are members of the CA here. Central State Authority, yeah. Thanks to them, because they were positive on this. I told Ghanshyamji not to distrust the Andhra movement that's happening. So he understood my point. And then they supported, of course, with all checks and balances. And today, it's close to a year, it's delivering power to the Andhra grid, which is the only stable grid right now. Because of that capacity, 1.68 gigawatt. It's not a joke, sir. Please give them a big hand. और आपके यहाँ तेरी है, उसमें भी एक मेगावाट लग गया है, उसकी थोड़ी टीचिंग ट्रबल्स हैं अभी, वो आ जाएगी, that's why they're awarding, but basically वो 250 megawatt के machines हैं, and they are actually variable frequency based. So first machines of variable frequency, 1 gigawatt, which has also come up in Teri, thanks to Bishnoi Saab. Bishnoi Saab is no more, he was a dear friend of Abhay Kumar Singh, also a very dear friend of ours, and उन्होंने जो push किया उसको, वो project आ गया, आपका एक और पंप स्टोरेज, और अभी आएगा आपका गांधी सागर मध्य प्रदेश का, that is a 1.9 gigawatt. L&T is doing the construction, and it is also, Parakar Saab knows about it. So it's also a very big project. It's a standalone pump storage. These are all hybrid. This is an integrated renewable energy project. I visited Pinnapuram. It's building 4 gigawatt of solar. 1 gigawatt to उसी time लग गया था 24 में, and 1 gigawatt of wind. They will have a downstream ammonia and hydrogen production, and this was my Karma Bhuvi. I established a 2 into 12 megawatt heavy fuel based power plant of MAN for driving 1 million tons per annum without the grid. That was the Ultratech cement. Finally, hostile takeover happened. Rashid Birla and all this AMI could not stop it. My friend Bambani, who built that cement division in the plant, was completely flabbergasted. He was abusing what AMI at a time. So I had to tell him, yeah, shant raho, shant raho. Ye to ho jata hai. Hostile takeover tha, because they could not say. First was Reliance tried it, they failed. And then when Naik was there, it was almost like gone. If K. Venkatraman was not there, your friend, it was gone. And I know the whole game behind the scenes. It was Gurumurthy from the Swadeshi Talent Manch who was brought in. Gurumurthy gave a tip, a company को लेके क्या करेगा? तुम्हारे तो सब commodities है. Engineering company में तुम क्या करोगे? That type of logic. So they wanted an escape route because it was a tug of war going on the board. Escape route was, we went and told Naik, अब आपको cement division, हमने नहीं बोला, उन्होंने बोला कि you have to hive off the cement division to save their face, save your face. So the cement division came, and I predicted that time only to Bambani that Grasim will no more be cement, it will be Ultratech's. आज देखिए Ultratech is the brand, and that was L&T's cement plant. And I was responsible for the 25 megawatt captive power plant in Tatpatri. Faced Naxals, faced everything. But that is the time, a great statement by K. Venkatraman in Inertia, in our magazine. He said, projects build a nation. Naxalism was gone within no time, 10 years later. That one cement plant changed the game. So this I did with Sanghi Cement also in Ran of Kutch. Of course, that sold off to Adanis. But that was a 12 million ton capability right across the border. Nalia was the closest border. It's like the Wagah border. So I've gone there. बिच्छू और सांप ही काटते थे वहाँ और कुछ पता नहीं चलेगा. सफेद बिच्छू दिखेगा पता नहीं चलेगा. बूट को you have to have special boots so that you don't get bitten. So Ravi Sanghi used to give me those boots. Then I got them. I said, why don't you talk to the Poonawallahs and bring a venom, the snake venom, institute over there. So they brought it, and people stopped dying in Ran of Kutch. This is before the earthquake came. So a lot of things we have gone through. So it can come in a biography for me. Big stories will come, what happened. But I'm telling you again that without this lifeline called hydropower and also pump storage now, we cannot control our grid, and we had better go decentralized than getting stuck with exporting 30 gigawatt from Ran of Kutch, 30 gigawatt from Jaisalmer. I would say we have 640,000 villages. I've said this a couple of times. In Nagpur also said this, and I'm saying it again 4th or 5th time. 2 megawatt per village will bring 1280 gigawatt. Just low hanging solar. 2 megawatt per village brings you 1280 gigawatt. And this project can come in just 2 years flat. So आपको इतनी पड़ी है तो आप ये कर लीजिए. सरपंचों को बोल दीजिए तुम्हारी शेयर होल्डिंग हो जाएगी. पुराने नए को 10 फैमिली को आइडेंटिफाई करिए. गांव वालों को शेयर दे दीजिए. FPO बना दीजिए. Execute this, and what will happen with this kind of thing? What will happen is that you will get 1280 gigawatt in no time into the grid. to deliver. So all of that need not go only to supply. It can enable our pump storage, it can enable green hydrogen, whatever you're talking. So ये सिंपल सा लो हैंगिंग फ्रूट है. मेरा 2016 का पत्र प्रधानमंत्री जी को, ठीक है, उसको मैं फिर से रिवाइव करके लिख रहा हूँ. तो हम जो कह रहे हैं ना, और बिजली नहीं है, we can't catch up with China. It's all humbug. You just get your farm sector into the game because they benefit, they get additional income. Converting like CBG, waste to compressed biogas. Now Reliance went to Andhra Pradesh to sign 500 CBG plants. So ethanol is not the revolution, CBG is. Because ethanol is low hanging fruit. आप लाओ गाड़ी में डाल दो. So गाड़ी वालों का लॉस हो जाएगा. वो क्यों कर रहे हो? आप उसको CBG में एक 50 करोड़ का प्लांट लगाना है, 50 करोड़ में 8 टन आप बना लोगे. That's the easy way. You spend the 50 crores. The government should, instead of taking out, and that's also fuel. The transition will go only when we go from crude oil towards gas economy. And this is an indigenous gas economy. Initially you can bring LNG, but over a period of time the gas grid will be actually powered using the sea. Already हमने GAIL के साथ बात करके we have allowed for 100% pumping of gas. Earlier they were saying blending. I was not happy with the word blending because in CBG it's 100% combustion in the IC engines. So these are out of the hydro subject I went so that you understand that we are discussing hybrid integrated renewable energy. Where it's not an elephant and six blind men approach with which we can succeed. We need to have, and hydro has to be the masthead of moving this peak in the electricity side, failing which we are going to put our grid also into trouble. Decentralize bhi karo, isko bhi kaam karo. That's the way we have to go forward. So my 6,40,000 villages are decentralized economy, which forms in my book of India Branding, I call it LC, Plural se beyond, remote location of strategic infrastructure industry. इसी से गांव आपके आगे बढ़ेंगे. अगर हमने अर्बनाइज करना शुरू कर दिया, we will be actually doing a disservice to our villages. So with this, I now request first Abhay Kumar Singh ji, because he is the best man to tell us, and then Razan sir next, to push the points of inflection. And I think he is the best speaker to know how projects are done. Subhanshree is coming online. How much push she has given, we all know. It will come on the grid at largest project. It will upscale Koina. That's 1960 megawatt from all capacity. I'm not differentiated between storage and run of the river. Koina is the storage project. So I would say amongst the capacity it's 1960. Otherwise, Satluj